first morning in Bali, and I thought we have to get something yummy to eat, and we found this cute little cafe called Inklusiv Warung, where they have deaf staff members, which is really nice to see because it's giving them the opportunity, and they've even got sign language in the menu as well, so we was trying to talk to them throughout the menu. But I'm excited to see what the food tastes like because the menu looks really good, so I'm looking forward to tucking in.
So if you're in Bali, the best way to travel around is on moped / scooter / a motorbike because the traffic is a lot, especially during the day. Even at night time, it's still fairly high. So you can get on the back of a Grab or a Gojek bike where someone drives for you. But today I'm actually going to go on a scooter lesson so I can hire a moped myself for the next 3 months to travel around for myself and Shadea. I don't think I need a scooter lesson, but it's just better to be safe than sorry.
You ready?
I'm ready to go.
Buckle up.
So far so good. Update from yesterday, scooter lesson went well, fairly simple, straightforward, but it was just good to kind of be, familiarise yourself with the surroundings. Drove on the road as well for like 30-40 minutes, which was great. So yeah, it was good, successful, and I'm happy with the progress made. The guy said I don't need to do another scooter lesson, so check the link below, and that is the company that we used for our scooter lesson. Update for today.
So gonna exchange some money. We need a bit more cash, so we're just gonna go to exchange shop, and then we're gonna go and check out a gym that Chad's been dreaming about. Gonna sign up to it and let you guys know what gym we chose as well. And then I think we're just gonna go and chill at a beach, see the sunset, just kind of enjoy the surroundings. We're still kind of jet lagged as well, so I'm very tired.
Yeah, we've been waking up super late, isn't it?
Yeah. So just gonna take it easy, and then next week will probably be like more in the swing of things.
But the reason why we're exchanging the money is because we're going to be getting a bike as well to rent for next month whilst we're in Canggu.
Yeah.
So that's why we're getting the money, because we can't pay by card. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to whizzing around the city of Canggu. Can't wait.
£300.
Money.
Just got 2 little items from a shop. I've got a little bag and a little knitted dress. Managed to haggle them down from like, I don't know what it was, 600 to 200. So if you're coming to shop in Bali, don't take the first price because they will always haggle down. I was even like, I'm gonna leave, and he was like, okay, sister, lower the price. So I got it cheaper. But yeah, happy with what I got. Little market stall. I'll definitely be back. Yeah, on to getting our scooter now.
Chad. Hello. How are you?
Good, and you?
Good, thank you.
Good. So I bring the bike?
Yeah.
I come there or?
Oh yeah, you can come in. That's fine.
So you listened before?
Yeah, the lesson yesterday, yeah.
All good?
All good, yeah. He said I'm ready to go.
This is the first day?
Second day.
Second day?
Yeah.
Yeah. So far so good. Beautiful weather.
Really?
Yeah, beautiful weather, beautiful food, beautiful people.
Beef?
I said beautiful food,
Ah.
beautiful people.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, I appreciate it.
Have a good day. Huh?
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
The update for today, it's currently 5:50 p.m. We're chilling, but what did we do?
So we went to I Am Vegan today. That was lovely. I really enjoyed my burger. Chad's omelette was really, really nice as well. It was vegan egg omelette. I've never had it before, but it was good.
It was very good. I enjoyed it. I didn't expect it to be as nice as it was. Very well seasoned. So, and that restaurant, I Am Vegan, babe. I'm quite concerned because there was so much to choose from. It's like 4-minute drive from my house, and I reckon I'm going to be there a lot of times. Because it was healthy what I got, but there was a lot of unhealthy stuff as well.
And they had so many cakes and desserts. I was like, I can't come here every day because even today I've got a burger and chips. It's just like...
When she said fries, she looked at me and started laughing. Because the woman said, would you like fries or salad with that?
And I was like,
fries. I was healthy. I got omelette and tofu omelette and salad, which was decent.
Yeah.
But it was a good balance, you know. I'm sure Shadea will eat clean tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. No.
But we're currently at Body Factory. Oh, so we picked up our lovely bike, black with like rose gold tyre rims.
Be honest, how was you feeling the first time I rode it? Was you nervous?
Yeah, I was scared. I was a bit nervous because obviously I've never ridden with Chad on a bike before. I didn't know how good he would be.
But you know I'm a good driver. I'm a good car driver. She knows that, right?
Yeah.
And how was I? Go on, give an honest verdict. How was I riding?
Yeah, it was good. It was calm. The second time I was more confident and I actually whipped out my phone to take a little video, so I was confident. But yeah, we're at Body Factory now. We just finished a gym session. The gym is really, really nice. With this gym though, it is very expensive.
Very expensive. It's probably the most expensive in Bali, I reckon.
Yeah.
Well, definitely in Canggu. We haven't checked other areas yet, but in Canggu, it's definitely the most expensive because we looked at all the others.
Yeah, we'll put the price down like on the video, but it took us a while to actually agree on going to this gym. But it just has so much facilities. Like it's got a pool, it's got sauna, it's got ice baths, jacuzzi, studios, classes,
Cafes/restaurant.
restaurants.
And if you're a member, you also get a good discount at the cafe and restaurant.
Yeah.
And loads of other places within the area as well, which
you
is really
just
good.
show your membership card.
Yeah. And you've got this lovely chill out area, which we're chilling right now. Nice outdoor pool. Certain nights they do movies as well, so they put a projector down, you can watch movies, which I'm looking forward to.
Yeah.
Also Sundays they have a DJ that comes out, which will be nice to relax after a gym session with a coffee, protein shake or whatever. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, so I think today we're just going to chill out. We've missed the sunset. We was going to try and go to a beach to see the sunset, but we'll probably do that tomorrow. So we're going to end it here today and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow.
Peace. So just before we head to sleep, we are absolutely starving after the gym and we ordered some food. And what we love about here, the food options are great, and two, the prices are unbelievable. Now we got here 3 portions of food plus sides, and it came to £9.71.
Including delivery.
Including delivery as well. In England, in London in particular, this would have cost minimum £30.
Yeah.
Probably £35 and above, but yeah. This is what we love about Bali. The food, how quick the food comes, the prices, yeah. Another day in paradise. So far I'm loving the food, I'm loving the vibes, the people. Like everything for me right now is 10 out of 10. Update from today, went to the gym earlier this morning. Also took advantage of the recovery area, went in the sauna, the hot bath and the ice bath. And I thought Shadea might struggle, but I definitely struggled as well. It was tough. What did you think of it?
Yeah, it was cold, very cold, especially coming straight from the sauna as well. Your body just felt so tingly, but I feel like if we do it every day, we'll get more comfortable with it and be able to sit in the cold water for longer, because it has got like health benefits apparently. So
yeah, loads of benefits. And the food at Body Factory as well, that was also amazing.
Yeah, very cheap as well, considering like there's like a checklist and you can pick off like what food you want, what grains, what proteins, what sides, and then they just make your plate depending on what you choose. And
it was good because Shadea actually picked healthy options, so she didn't follow up from her current diet from the last previous days.
no.
So well done. But now we are off to the beach. We're going to try and catch a sunset because we've missed it the last couple of days. And then what's happening after that?
We're gonna go to Kynd Cafe, which is a vegan restaurant. It's all pink as well, so I'm looking forward to the aesthetics. And also,
Where's your pink outfit?
I know I should have worn pink today.
But black though, you stand out against the pink.
Yeah.
If you wear pink and pink, you might like be camouflage and blend in. So people might not be able to see you in pictures.
It's true. That is true. Yeah.
But yeah, we're looking forward to seeing the sunset because we've seen so much of the pictures and videos online from other people. So to witness it firsthand, I'm looking forward to it. Golden hour means selfies.
Yes, gotta make the most of the opportunity. Get some good selfies. Yeah. just finished the most yummiest meal I've had on this trip so far. I really enjoyed it. Chad was like, he enjoyed it, but I don't think he enjoyed it as enough as me. I had carbonara, Chad had butter, chicken, curry, and we had calamari on the side. It's all vegan, by the way, all vegan. Coconut and a detox juice, and the desserts, oh, desserts are yummy. We had carrot cake and a caramel sponge. So that's the end of this video. We will aim to vlog every week. If you've enjoyed it so far, please let us know. And also, if you have any questions about Bali or living in Bali, please let us know as well, and we will be happy to answer those questions. But for now, good night.